Hi friends, very good morning all of you. How are you? I hope all of you are doing good. So, in continuation of the series of financial literacy, what I have started a couple of weeks back in my YouTube channel, I have given 3-4 valuable lessons where I have got tremendous response, a positive feedback and love from so many of the viewers. Not only my family and friends who I know, not only my students, but also there are so many people who do not know me personally. They started sharing their feedback to me, which gave me immense happiness. So continuing the same, today I am going to give you one astonishing calculation of how some investment companies, in specific I am not criticizing any company, some investment companies, how they screw your happiness, how they screw your money, and if you do not know these kind of things, how you will be eroding your wealth, how you will be cutting the branch of the tree where you are sitting. Many people, they do not know this. Many people, they do not know, because imagine if you are not from finance background, if you do not know how IRR, internal rate of return, is calculated, if you do not know what is the meaning of time value of money, then there is a higher chance that people will trap you with these kind of things, and the damage, if you know, it will be a kind of heart attack to you. It will be a kind of heart attack to you. And unfortunately, underline unfortunately, even I have done this investment. Even I have done this investment in my own life. I have done this investment. This is after having 3 qualifications. So after qualifying CA, after qualifying CWA, after doing masters, then I have done this kind of mistake. Now imagine how risky the situation is and how much prone, vulnerable people are for these kind of things. When you understand the mathematics behind these calculations, then you understand these are not actually investments, these are traps. These are traps. So be very careful. In the next 5 minutes I will show you some very good calculations. They are kind of, you call it eye opener, you call it realization, you call it something. So one of my friends who's not having any finance background, he told me one thing: Pavan, I have paid one investment today. So he said, Pavan, I have made some investment today. I asked him, what is that? It is a scheme. I am not going to tell you the name of the plan. I am not going to tell you the name of the company, because I do not want to be a villain. I do not want to criticize anyone in general, but I am telling you how the mathematics work against you, how you are losing money. That is my only intention. And funnily, they put the name of the scheme in such a way. These are not, multi-channel marketing schemes. These are not that kind of frauds. These are investments you do with investment companies or insurance companies. I'm not speaking about any fraud. I'm not speaking about any scam. I am speaking about a genuine, a traditional or a market-linked insurance or investment plan. Unfortunately, they put fancy words: income builder, wealth builder, capital appreciation scheme. So when you read the name itself, wow, 50% you are killed. When they tell you the details, which is obviously one side of the story, the remaining 50% is killed. And when you invest money, you are killed. So look here. So one of my friends told me that which is something similar to what I have done around 12 years back, maybe 12 years back. I have done this mistake, and my friend did this mistake, I think a couple of months back, 2 months back. But he did not consult me before. He told me after paying money. So now I cannot do anything. So then I realized, so this should be told to people at large. So it is like you pay rupees 1 lakh every year for 10 years starting from today. So what is your investment? You pay 1 lakh every year for 10 years starting from today. Okay, then you will get rupees 1 lakh from the 10th year for next 20 years. That means you will get you are paying 1 lakh for 10 years, but you are getting 1 lakh for 20 years, double the money. So you are getting double the money plus, hello, wait, plus, the trap is not over, plus you will get rupees 10 lakhs again at the end of the repayment period. That repayment period is that next 20 years, end of the next 20 years. That means 30 years from today. So you paid 1 lakh every year for 10 years. After that you got 1 lakh every year for next 20 years. That means 10 years of payout period, 20 years of pay-ins you are getting. Okay, and at the end of the period you will get your 10 lakhs back. So this advisor who is injecting, who is injecting in the name of medicine, he is injecting poison. So who's saying, who's selling this product to you, he will say this is capital builder, income builder, you just pay 10 lakh rupees but you are getting 20 lakhs in 20 installments plus you are getting 10 lakhs. So a common man feels, I paid how much? 10 lakhs. I got how much? 30 lakhs. Oh my God, there is a profit of 20 lakhs. So they say profit. How much? 20 lakhs. Isn't it exciting? If you do not know the way how, money behaves, the way how investment behave, the way how the time value of money or the interest rate you call, opportunity cost you call, inflation you call, the time value of money, how it behaves, if you know, you understand such a bloody trap this is, and you are catching your own collar and you are banging your own head onto the wall. Do not understand what it is? Chalo, now let me show you what exactly this plan is. So you are starting this investment today. Today's investment in financial management is known as, today is known as year 0. So this is year, this is cash flow. So year 0 you are starting with, then 1, 2, 3. So like this, how many years this plan is for? 30 years. 30 years. Okay, so I have taken 30 years. Then cash flow. So what is the cash flow? Cash flow, outflow is represented in minus, negative. Inflow is represented with plus, because if I am paying money it is minus 100. If I am getting money it is plus 100. Okay, normal mathematics. So year 0, that means today am I paying or am I getting? I am paying. So how much? 1 lakh minus 1 lakh. So how many years you are getting this? You are paying this 1 lakh up to year 9. Then it has become 10 installments. Then it has become 10 installments. Okay, so how much it is? How much it is? So you add it here. You add it here. How much it is? 10 lakhs. Correct. Then from next year onwards, your Achhe Din are coming. So you got 1 lakh inflow. Add 1 lakh inflow. For how many years? Next 20 years. Then you got at the end of 30th year 10 lakhs, whatever you invested, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how much this is? How much this is? Let me show you how much this will be. So from 10th year inflows I am adding, so how much it is? 30 lakhs. So how much you paid? 10 lakhs. How much you received? How much you paid? 10 lakhs. This is the amount you paid. How much you received? This is 30 lakhs. Correct? This is what they told you. And you are damn happy. You felt you earned 20 lakhs. You felt you earned 20 lakhs. But my dear friend, just next 2 minutes open your eyes. Next 2 minutes. Then you realize what it is. There is something called time value of money. Will you give me, if I give 1 lakh rupees, if I say, hey, give me 1 lakh rupees today, after 20 years I'll give same 1 lakh rupee, will you give it to me? No. Why? Because you have common sense. There is always interest factor. That is what we call time value factor. That is what we call time value factor. So we are calculating time value at 15%, which I believe is the opportunity cost if you invest same money in mutual fund. If you invest same money in mutual fund, in my series of financial literacy, my next video is going to be the mutual funds, best mutual funds to invest in 2021. I will show you certain mutual funds which will give you 30 to 40% returns. So I'm taking 15% return. So remember one thing, if you have basics of this time value of money in mathematics, if you have studied, do you remember present value, future value factors? Do you remember? Present value is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus I whole power n. Correct? 1 divided by 1 plus I whole power n. When you calculate it, it will come like this. 1 divided by 1.15. This is first year factor. So what is this? 0.87, approx 0.87. What is the meaning of this? After 1 year, if you give 1 rupee to me, after 1 year, if you give 1 rupee to me, today that is equal to 87 paise only. After 1 year, if you give 1 rupee to me, today it is not 1 rupee. So after 1 year, it will come now, that is called future value. Today's value of next year's 1 rupee is called present value. So the present value of this 1 rupee is only 87 paise. Then the next year it will be 1 divided by 1.15 whole square, that is calculated as 1 by 1.5 divided by 1.15. 1 by 1.15 divided by 1.15. So what is the meaning of this 75 paise? That means if you give 1 rupee after 2 years, today that is equal to 75 paise only. Simple. 75 paise. Take your calculator. I'll tell you one basic calculation. Okay. Take your calculator. 0.76 take in calculator into 1.15 first year into 1.15 second year. Exactly, you will get 1 rupee. You understand what the calculation is? Today, if you invest 75 paise in a bank account that pays you 15% interest, after 2 years it will be 1 rupee. So from today, if you are extrapolating into future, it is called compounding. From tomorrow's money, if you are calculating backwards, it is called discounting. So what we are doing is discounting, because I am paying today, isn't it? But I will get money after 10 years. So we need to consider time value of money, otherwise you will be a fool. So in calculator or in Excel sheet, we have calculated the present value factors. So these are called time value or present value factors. Now the present value of cash flow is, take the future cash flow, multiply that with the factor. Take the future cash flow, multiply with the factor. So if you calculate, today 1 rupee is equal to 1 rupee only. Today it is 1 rupee only. Cash flow into time value factor. Now I am applying the same formula here. So how much I paid today? 1 lakh. After 1 year I paid 1 lakh, which is equal to 86,000 today. After 2 years I will pay 1 more lakh, which is equal to 75,000 today. After 3 years I will pay 1 more lakh, which is equal to 65,000 today. Are you getting my point? So these are present values. Now same you calculate here, 10 lakh rupees you calculated, no? Future values. Now the present values are this. You understand what it is? So I'll delete 2 columns so that you can see the whole thing in one go. So this is the future values. This is the present values. So today 1 lakh, after 1 year 1 lakh, after 1 year 1 lakh, like that if I pay 10 years, that is not 10 lakhs, that is equal to 5,77,158 rupees because of time value of money. Then the amounts what you are getting, that 30 lakhs is there, no? Hold your heart, that is equal to 1,93,032 rupees only. Now you'll ask, Pawan, how? Boss, look at this one single number. If someone tells you that he will pay 10 lakh rupees to you after 30 years, if someone tells you that he will pay 10 lakh rupees to you after 30 years, today its value is just 15,000 rupees. Why? 30 years is there in between. So do you think after 30 years, if you get 10 lakh rupees, that is equal to 10 lakh rupees today? Are we fools? That means what's happening, you know, you paid a present value of 5,77,158 and you are getting the benefit of 1,93,032 rupees. That means you are losing approx 4 lakhs. How big stupidity it is, you know. Pavan, I did not understand these calculations. Then if you do not understand these calculations, in 1 minute I'll tell you what it is. Boss, there is something called IRR. What is IRR? You know, IRR stands for internal rate of return. If you're investing money in any investment, how much of the return on investment you are getting? There is a calculation. You don't know how to calculate? Don't worry. I know how to calculate, but I'm not going to teach you. Why? Because today we have exceptionally good technology to use. Our Mother Google is there, our Excel sheets are there. So in the Excel sheet, I am going here and I'm just giving formula. This formula is not developed by me. It is developed by Microsoft. Is equal to IRR of, is equal to internal rate of return of. I am just asking, dear computer, please calculate IRR. Please calculate IRR. So I am taking all these 30 years cash flows and I am calculating IRR. So what is the formula? Look the formula here. IRR is equal to F59 to F89. These are the 30 numbers I have taken. Just I will press is equal to C. If you earn 2%, it will tell you 2%. If you earn 5%, it will tell you 5%. If you earn 15%, it will give you 15%. Now wait for my enter daba diya, dekho, minus 7%. Excel sheet is saying, idiot, what the hell you have done? Excel sheet said. So don't you think these are really surprising? Simple. Think. Why that investment company or insurance company will give you double money, triple money if they are not interested in your money? Unless they are interested in making money for themselves, for their account, why will they help you? Do you think protecting your life is their priority? Do you think protecting your health is their priority? Pavan sir, in this insurance coverage also there are, after I die, if my wife and if my children are getting money, am I more interested on that actually? Even then they will not give 1 crore rupees. No, they will give whatever you paid with bonus only. So even if you put in any bank fixed deposit also, same money will come. Do you think if you pay 100 rupees, insurance company will pay 1 crore rupees to you? No. Endowment policy, term policy, that is a different story. I am not speaking about that. I am speaking about investments. These are not capital builders. These are capital ruiners. These are capital erosion. This is literal example of capital erosion. Now I'll tell you the second side of the story. Now you have given 1 lakh rupee, 1 lakh rupee, 1 lakh rupee, 1 lakh rupee for 10 years. Now let me show you if we go to one calculation of SIP. So look here, this is Mutual Fund Sahi hai, this website, this is an authorized, I mean, you know, it is not a private player. Okay, so look here, if you put the same 1 lakh rupee, so take your calculator, 1 lakh rupee per annum you are investing in this investment now, divided by 12. So you are getting 8,333 monthly. So approx 8,500 likho. Every month you are paying 8,500 rupees. Every month you are putting that in systematic investment plan. So what is the expected rate of return? 15%. I told you 15% is bare minimum return you can get. If you plan it properly, you can get 20-30% also. I'll show you in my own portfolio. I have mutual funds where I earned 60%, 70% also. Not every fund. Rarely 1-2 funds will be there. 1-2 funds are performing at 7%, 8% also. 1-2 funds are in losses also. But at the end of the day, it is like, you know, mixing hot water and cold water. On an average, I'll get more than 25. Some might be 70, some might be negative. But if you plan properly, you can get 20-25% easily. So I'm taking only 15%. So what is the investment duration? There you have done 10 years. Here also you are doing 10 years. Now look here how much you are getting. Look here how much you are getting. Your investment is 10 lakh, my dear friend. This yellow one is your investment, okay? The green one is the value of your investment at the end of 10th year. It is around 30 lakhs, 25 to 30 lakhs. It is more than 25 lakhs. This is point number one. Now, bigger shock is going to come. Bigger shock is going to come. So if you observe this Excel sheet, you invested money up to 10th year, up to 9th year, you have paid money. Up to 90th, you have paid money. After that 20 years, they are using your capital. So 20 years, they are using your capital, but of course, they are giving you little money. That is a different story. Now look here, if my investment is 10 lakhs, if my investment is 10 lakhs, single investment, then if I am taking a 20-year period, what is this period? This is 20-year period, 19 years. So I am calculating it. Here, can you see 20 years? So expected percentage, rate of return, you can change it to whatever you want, 20%, 31%. So we are taking 15% now. So I am taking 15%. So look here, can you see 20 years here and 15% here? Hold on. I am pressing calculate. And the damn result is, can you see what is the result? 1 crore 63 lakhs 66,354. That means what, you know? With your money, that company earned this much and they gave you peanuts. There is nothing free in this world. No free lunch. That is what English say. No free lunch. Probably the only thing that is free is mother's love. That's it. Other than that, everything is bloody costly if you understand the equation. So how much you invested? 10 lakhs. How much it is? 1.63 crores. That means what is your wealth gain? 1 crore 53 lakh 66,354. I know, looking at this kind of videos, this insurance people and investment people and the advisors who inject you to buy these kind of things in the name of capital building, in the name of wealth creation, they hate me for this. They hate me for this. But my dear friend, I also was in the same trap. Then I realized this is shit. And imagine if you are putting money in SIP, after 4 years you lost your job. God forbid, you lost your job, you are unable to pay 5th year. If it is systematic investment plan, with one phone call or with one email, you can say, I am discontinuing, I cannot continue. Till today, whatever I have paid, please give me back. They will give you all your money plus whatever the wealth created in that 4 years, 5 years, they'll give you full money back. But if it is insurance or if it is any investment plan, my dear friend, I am telling you, sorry to tell you, whatever you have paid also will not come back to you. Whatever you have paid also will not come back to you. Whatever the money you have paid, 1 lakh rupees, on that they charge, you know, some GST, some taxes, whatever they deduct, that money is gone. Plus, within 10 years, if you are discontinuing this, somewhere in the investment contract or insurance contract, they might have written some point, 200-page book you have never read, you never understand. Bank loan agreements, insurance agreements, investment agreements, no one can read, no one can understand. Even if a person like me who can read and understand the terms also, the moment I open, it will run into 40-50 pages and the letter size is 3 size, Arial font 3 size, like the head of one ant. You have to look like this, even then you cannot read. The beautiful story they will tell you in SP Balasubramaniam tone, but the last disclaimer, mutual fund investments are subject to market risk, read offer related documents carefully, into 5x, over. You will not even understand what they are saying. So the whole story, 9 minutes of, 90% of the story in a beautiful tone they will show you. And in India, the best, or in the world, the best ad, director might have taken one, might have shot one beautiful 20 seconds, 30 seconds commercial showing the family values, showing your love onto your people, showing insurance, investments and all. You're like, one husband comes, puts oil to the head of the wife and then he is doing massage. Okay, and then the wife turns and says, I love you. And he says, I have taken this insurance policy for you. Oh, banana shit. If you spray perfume, 3 girls in bikini from this side, 3 girls from bikini, from this side in bikini, in 2-piece. These 3 are from Paris, these 3 are from Miami or Hawaii or, Monte Carlo. From some other country, they are running and coming, no? How realistic it is. 150 rupees spray, 150 rupees deodorant. If you spray, 6 girls are coming in bikini to you. How realistic that is? That realistic these investments are. Wrap 150 rupees deodorant will not make any difference. At least you are protecting from your own body odor. Chalega. Ye kya hai bhai? What the hell this is? So if you are investment advisor, or if you are insurer, or if you are selling this kind of products, boss, I am so sorry. My intention is not to disturb your business, but my intention is to tell the 99% of people who are not the sellers, 99% of people who are buyers, I want to tell them that, boss, this is a trap. This is it. Every year you pay 1 lakh rupees for 10 years. After the 20 years will give you 1 lakh, 1 lakh. After the 10 lakh rupees of, money will come to you. Bonus will come to you. 5%, 8% capital win. Arey, idiot, my own money it is. You're not giving 1 rupee also extra to me. You're ruining my money. Do you know what is happening in this? With your money, insurance company is earning this. They will invest money here, no? Now imagine if they are able to earn, instead of 15%, if the fund manager is a very wise guy, a superb guy, and he earned 30%. Imagine if the fund manager is an efficient guy and if he earns. So this bar of return, I am moving to 30%. 29, 30%. So 30%. Do you want to see the amount? He earned 19 crores. How much he paid? The present value, 1,60,000 he paid. How much he earned? 19 crores. This 19 crores is also future value, I agree. But even if you convert that into present value also, still it will be high only, no? So 20 lakhs they are giving, or 30 lakhs they are giving, 19 crores they are earning. Both are future values. Remember, by converting your blood into sweat, you earn money. And it is your right. If you are investing, do you know what is the meaning of investment? You are sacrificing the present consumption. You can go to Bangkok and you can enjoy with this 1 lakh, but sacrificing your present happiness. You are investing money for the golden future. If that is ruining your building, my dear friend, your present effort is gone, your present consumption is gone, your sacrifice is gone, and your money is also gone. Don't be a fool. Don't be a fool. Please consult with people. Please consult with people. Even if you consult me, I will not give you any advice. That is a different story, because I am not insurance advisor. If someone calls me and asks me, shall we do this? I will say, no, I am not a certified financial planner. Go to a certified financial planner. Consult knowledgeable people. Do not just like that pay any, you call it investment plan, you call it capital building plan, you call it insurance plan. No, just like that, no. Even if you put this money in post office recurring deposits or bank fixed deposits or recurring deposits, you can earn 4%, 5%, 6%. Ye kya plan hai bhai? You are waiting for 30 years to lose -7%. That is your internal rate of return. Please be very careful. Capital builder plans can be capital screwing plans. No agent will tell you the full story. No agent will tell you the full story. I am not against investments. I am not against insurance. I am not in favor of stock markets. I am not in favor of mutual funds. Just I am giving you the information behind the scene what happens. Because I teach finance for the last 15 years, I am into financial management. I teach finance for CA final students and CA inter students. Do you know why a layman cannot understand this? Because unfortunately, people like me who have a good metal in finance devise these plans. So carefully crafted strategy, so carefully, so beautifully presented strategy that you cannot understand the second side of coin. Because people with higher intelligence, higher smartness have devised this kind of weapons. So normal people cannot understand. So please be very, very, very careful. So is this useful? People say, what useful? My mind has become numb. Some of my viewers said, Pawan, after looking at your video, I was in trance for a while. I am unable to understand what the hell is happening. Welcome to the world, my dear friend. This is how the world operates. Corporates earn money like that, and corporates give money like this to you. Please be very careful. So I hope you enjoyed this. Keep watching. My next video will be on what are the best mutual funds in India to invest in 2021 this year. Just 2 days in the new year, 363 more days is there to go. How can you make money? What are the best mutual funds and what are the factors to be considered while investing money in mutual funds? That also, I'm coming up with that video soon. Thanks for watching. Pavan Kumar.